Okay, so hopefully at this point you have created a couple different plans or brainstorms. This is the cube template. I know this one is missing the isometric view, but that's okay for this part of the lesson. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start making these in the computer. The first one I'm going to make is this red piece here, or here. When we put this in the computer, we do want to think about the best front view. We don't want to just make it randomly. This will make it easier a little later on for when we have to do the computer multi-view sketches or multi-view drawings of each piece. So let's get into that. As you can see, I've gone to OnShape. I have made a new folder called IED Puzzle Cube. You should all do the same. And each part I'm going to label part 1 red, part 2 blue, part 3 orange. You get the idea. All right. Go ahead and come into or open up my red part. And just like we drew before, we want to pick the best front view. So for me, this is going to be the best front view. So for you guys, that's going to be the front view. I'm going to make it this way. I don't know if that's flipped in the mirror, but let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to sketch on the front plane, hit N for normal. I'm going to make a rectangle here. And because we're doing half-inch cubes this year, this is going to be 1, enter, 5.5, enter. Right. Check. And I'm going to extrude this a full inch. Going to check. Yep. So you can see that looks just like the bottom of this guy. Now I'm going to want to put this piece on top right there. Start a sketch. Up here. I'm going to put a rectangle in here. Click. 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter, finish, extrude, that guy, and I only want this to be half an inch, enter, and I'll pause. Okay, so to change the color of this part, we're going to right click on it down here at the bottom, edit appearance, and we can pick a color. So this one is going to be red. Check. Make sure this is saved. Any green check marks. And then we're just going to go back out and we should be able to start the next part soon.